Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to the newest addition to the garage here. We're going to be checking out I've probably bought three different vacuums. I just cannot get settled on what I want to use. This isn't going to be my permanent garage vacuum, but it's going to serve its purpose for me now. For temporary, I should say. This is what I'll be using, guys, in the interim until I can get a vacuum system set up and installed that I want to put in here. But we're going to be opening this guy up and checking it out and see how she does, see what she looks like, and we'll see if we can maybe come up with a way to temporarily wall mount it. I do want to get like a long hose reel eventually, but that's probably going to be whenever I do the actual garage vac. But I want to see if this will even work for that. So, but we're going to open her up, check her out, and let's see what we get, dudes. Alright guys, this is what we get in the box. Looks like a couple of hoses here, or a couple of straight fittings, I should say. And the actual unit, I'll set you guys down and we'll pull this out of the box. Pretty fancy. I'm hoping the hose is inside of here. Kind of cool. Comes with a filter. Not sure which one this one is, but very cool. And yes, the hose is inside the machine. Kind of disappointing. You don't get very much. But we also get all of our fittings and stuff down in here. So let's see what all we get. We get one of these, whatever this is, one of those, one of those. Looks like an adapter fitting of some sort. Looks like some screws. And these are the casters. Kind of rolls around, I would assume. This looks like maybe some more adapters. Not sure. And it looks like we get a bag. So, and then I'll take this out of the bottom. Pretty cool. I like these. I'm kind of a big fan of these stainless units. Pretty cool. So, but yeah. guys, I'll get her put together and then we'll take her over to the car. I've got a couple of floor mats I need to vacuum and we'll see how she does. All right, guys, first startup, let's hear how loud it is. That's like the big thing with vacs is the noise, right? I can't wait to get my garage vac system put in because that is also going to be remote and we won't have to hear the noise. But we got a dirty floor mat here. Let's turn it on. All right, guys. I like it. It seems to have pretty good suction. It seems to work pretty well. Obviously, it should. It's brand new, but you know, basically, the kind of things I'm looking for is noise, and you know, the amount of suction that it has. I mean, this is 5 horsepower, so it should be pretty good. It'll work for now, like I said, until I get my real and central vac system set up for in here. And then whenever I do transition to that, we'll use that for other just general household use and floor use and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, so far I like it. I think it's pretty good. We're going to keep it. We're definitely going to hold on to it. It's Dewalt. I like Dewalt, as you guys probably know. I'm a big Dewalt fan. All of my cordless power tools are Dewalt. So yeah, I give this one a so far so good. We'll probably come back and we'll do a review on it in 3 months, 6 months, whatever, and we'll see how she's holding up, see how she does. I've got few cars to do, but otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.